everyone, welcome back to my channel first and foremost. And if you've been following along on my Instagram stories, you know that I have been terribly sick with flu for absolute weeks. And I'm still feeling a little bit kind of like scratchy and occasionally quite like like I need to clear my throat and stuff. But I am much better. I'm back in the land of the living just in time for the Altenew April release. So I think this is my favorite box out of all of the ones that they made so far. And I mean, they do some amazing designs and things, but I mean, look at these colors. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I'm probably going to keep this one just because it's pretty. Stupid, I know, but you know. It's what I do. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna just open up and we're gonna get rid of the tissue paper. Put that over there. And then I'll just take everything out, I think. We will start. So this is a pretty special release because it is the 12th anniversary of Altenew. So 12 years ago, Altenew burst onto the crafting scene and a lot of us have never looked back. So yes, we are going to go through this. We're gonna have some fun, probably. We'll see. And don't forget that it's probably on the 10th of April. I think it's either the 8th or the 9th. There will be a YouTube hub for the release. So that's when you will be, you know, in with a chance to win a $100 gift voucher to the Altenew store and also 4 $50 gift vouchers. So I will make sure I drop all of that info in the description box down below, as well as an affiliate link. So if you do decide that you want to go ahead and shop the release right away and treat yourself, and why wouldn't you? I would be ever so grateful if you used my link. It doesn't ever cost you anything extra, but any like orders that you place, even if it's just for like a one ink blend or mini ink blending tool, I get a little percentage of that sale directly from Altenew as a thank you. So it doesn't matter how small the order is, how big or small. If you use my link, I will be ever so grateful. So thank you so much for all of the support. But now let's get into all of this. So there is a mini ink blending tool that always come with the project kit. So I'll just put this aside. And these are the twisty pod sequence storage things. So there's 6 containers. And this one is previously released, I do believe. But I got it in this package, so let's just have a quick look and see if it's oh, okay, well this is clever. I haven't seen this before. So they actually screw onto each other. That's really cool. Okay, cool. And then there's one lid. So there's 6 compartments for the 6 different sizes of sequins. So I will probably put my favorites in here. Now, which ones are they gonna be? Now that's the question, isn't it? But now, so we're going to start with Wholehearted Sentiments, and this is the Mother's Day edition. And this is a new thing. So Wholehearted Sentiments, I don't think I've seen those before, but it is a great one. So this can actually go for a lot of, it doesn't just have to be for like Mother's Day, but like so grateful. And then hugs, you're the heart of our family. That can work for both mothers and fathers and aunties and uncles and grandparents and all sorts. We love you. Thank you for everything you do and for always being there. So the only one that is, so we'll see, we have best mom in the world, happy Mother's Day, and yeah. There's only 2 that are like mother specific, and the rest of them are actually kind of very interchangeable with whatever family member or even best friend that you want to send this to. And it does have coordinating die cuts, which yay, I love. Okay, so we have a Gardener's Corner silhouette stamp set. So this is the Mini Delight, and as a budding gardener slash a crazy plant lady, I love this set. It's so adorable. And look at these like little books here. Oh, so cute, adorable. And there's like a little lavender plant that you can actually cut out. So let's open this up and have a little look, shall we? because it kind of looks like there's some sort of like blue and then like a lavender. Yeah. And then you can add like this sort of, you can actually do it like just a one layer, or you can add this sort of like wood grain bit on top. Super cute. Okay. Haha. So while I'm working on my actual gardening skills, I will do it in paper and never fail. So that's nice to know. Okay, so our craft of flower is the butterfly ranunculus. I mean, look at this set. This is 100%. So if you think here is an A2 size card. So these are gonna take up like the entire card front. That is incredible, and some gorgeous like inspiration on the back there as well. And here is our Craft Your Life project kit, and that's where the little mini ink blending tool comes in. And this one is called Fruits and Flowers. And I have a real thing for like citrus fruits and things. It's just so fun. So it has a layering die set, and so you obviously can make a pineapple, banana, an apricot, apple, and also from the looks of it like a reusable kind of shopping basket. Oh, and a fruit bowl. Okay. Oh, and even the hook for the bag to hang on. That is adorable. Okay. And fun fact, I actually have an apricot tree in my garden, and it is every year it's kind of like a fight of who's going to get there first, me or the birds. So with this set, there is actually a so it's called Fruit and Flowers. So in the die cut set, there is, you know, the fruits, and here we have the flowers, and it makes this like really pretty background, which is just stunning. I'm wondering, like this alone on its own will look incredible. And then here we have a really fun 3D embossing folder, and this will actually look really good as like bricks on a wall as well. Okay, coolio. And here we have our stamp set for the set. So we have some, I want to say again, like lavender and some sort of like maybe herby things. And there is like layering stamp set. So you can make, I'm guessing, like a flower bed kind of thing. And then there's all sorts of sweet sentiments here as well. Have an awesome day. Missing your sweet face. A little something for you. Thanks a bunch. And oh, gorgeous. Okay, cute, cute, cute. All right. Okay. So that is the kit, and it comes in one of these super handy storage pockets as well, so you can always keep everything together, so you know exactly what's what. And then we have pegboard panels. So there's two. So there's a rectangle and a square. And here they have done some embroidery, which is really cool. I have never actually embroidered on cards, and I know it's like really big. But I had the idea because there is a crafting set, and I thought it would be cute to take the hook from here to kind of put on the pegboard, and then have like the floss and scissors and things hanging. So ideas. And then we have two things that are going to look fantastic together. So we have pom-pom trees. So these are like big planters with like trees and bushes and things. And then we have arch doors layering die set. And I have a real thing for doors. So when I lived in Valencia, which was like three plus years ago now, I want to say, what are we now? April 26. So yeah, 3.5 years ago, I used to do a thing where I would walk around the neighborhood and like take pictures of all of the amazing doors. And I have done that a little bit here as well, but I kind of got to the point where there were like that many doors to take pictures of anymore, because it's a very, very small village that I live in. However, these are going to look really cool. So do like a nice big door, and then you have pots on each side, which is exactly what I kind of want from my own front door. Ideas. Ooh, so many ideas. Okay, so this is, I think, also kind of a newish addition. So the One Go. I think there might have been one previous to this, but you'll see like everything will have like its own kind of like symbol. So like the Craft Your Life will have this one, and then like the Craft a Flower will have this one, and then there's this one here now for the One Go. So this one is called Friendship Flowers, and it's got some nice big sentiments like friends and hugs. Thank you very much. You're all kinds of amazing. And grateful for our friendship, which is a really good one. And oh, amazing inspiration on the back here. Oh, wow, so cool. And it has layering stencils as well, which is fantastic. I love that. And die cuts. And nope. Stop. So these are the 3 products to go with the One Go Friendship Flowers. And for the 12th anniversary, actually, let's first just say that. So here we have the African Daisy 3D embossing folder as well. And it comes, like, included is a little die set as well. So you can emboss all of these, and then you cut them out, and then you layer them up, and you can make, like, pretty flowers like that. Yeah. But so every year in April, there is an anniversary set, and it's usually like this one of these huge, humongous ones. And this year's is called Sakura Blossoms, and it is this huge tree branch of like cherry trees, essentially like a sakura tree. And it's got this like separate little stamp set here, which has the 3D embossing folder, because obviously this whole thing is like too big for a 3D embossing folder. And then it also has layering stencils, and let's see how many stencils are. So there's 6 stencils, so you can create like amazing kind of colors and blending and just have all sorts of fun. And like this is big enough that you can actually stamp up everything. So if you stamp this up and that on one piece of paper, you can actually cut this into 4 panels. So you'll have 4 cards in one go, which is pretty cool. I mean, if you ask me. So that is the release, but just a quick reminder that today's video is just the unboxing of what I have picked out. And soon will be the actual release celebration YouTube video hop. But again, I will make sure that all of that information is down, I was going to say downstairs in the description box, but I meant down below in the description box. And we will take it from there. But yeah, as I said, if you feel like you can't wait to grab some of these goodies, and I mean, I can't say I blame you if you can't wait, then again, I would be super appreciative if you use my compensated affiliate link, as I said in the beginning as well. It never ever costs you anything extra, and it doesn't matter whether you place a $5 order or a $500 order, although don't go crazy if you don't want to. I get a percentage of that as a thank you directly from Altenew. So, and all of this money goes essentially right back into keeping all of this going. And yeah, and also I'm not gonna lie, as some of it go to snacks for chicas as well. But that is it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today, and I will see you soon again.